Thank you, President. 1st September was marked in my country's Latvia calendar by two major events. First, children who started their studies in 3 grades of national minority primary schools will no longer hear their mother tongue. All lessons of the compulsory program will be in Latvia. Second, thousands of locals who were not recognized as Latvian citizens 30 years ago and who later on acquired citizenship of Russian Federation will start receiving orders to leave the country by the reason of bad mastery of the Latvian language. Appeals to international bodies yielded results, and the government is now ready to discuss indulgences. These bodies were the OSCE and UN, but unfortunately not the European Union. The recent response to the collective petition about Russophobia in Latvia is as follows. The European Commission has no general power as regards minorities. It is for member states to ensure that fundamental rights are effectively respected and protected. I consider this position a disgrace for the EU.